Hey guys, welcome to Akritika Pitala. So, in today's session, we are going to learn about stopwatch, a watch which can be started and stopped by pressing a button, so that you can measure exactly how long it's going to be take. For example, a runner want to record a time period of crossing a finish line. So here we go. Of that. So here we go. So I'm clicking on create applet. Let's go. So instead of hello world, we will type over there div class. That's going to be a division equal wrapper. So it's help you to wrap it. So first heading I'm using over there H1, that's a stopwatch. Then I'm closing the heading. Afterwards, I'm moving to a next line that's going to be H2, ID equal time. So like how the time's going to measure it. So it's having a three sections. So same way it's reflect in our mobile phone, same way a stopwatch work at our instrument also. I'm closing the heading. Let's see how it's work this much. Yeah. So over here by mistakenly I had put over there. So when I test it again, it's work. Now moving to a next line, they're going to be button ID. So with the help of the buttons, it's going to be a three buttons. We will just show them. Button that first of all it's going to be a start button. So how the start going to be? So it's going to be start, then closing a button. Now move to next line. That's going to be same way I have to do it again. So I'm just doing a smart work, doing a copy and paste it. Instead of start, it's going to be stop. So the third button going to be reset. So like I want to start the thing again, so we can use it over there reset. Oops. Yeah, I click on run. So you can see there are three buttons now, start, stop and reset. Now the reason I'm going to close it, like my section going to close it. So let's do the code in a JSS. That's going to be a JavaScript, like how it's going to be look like. So for that, VAR stands for variable. That's going to be milliseconds equal 0. Then seconds equal 0. Then minutes equal 0. Then variable h1 equal documents. So documents are like what are the doc types we are having. Same way at our home we are having a document file. We just transfer some of the data with a different one. The same way there are the some documents it's going to be shown differently. So I'm using over there time. So like what's the time it's going to be noted. Then they're going to be start. So start equal document dot get. So that going to be a button start. So I'm just copying this line, moving into next line. That going to be stop. Then moving to next line. So with the help of a JavaScript, it's going to work it like how it's going to assess it. Then it's going to be known as clear. Over here, we will change it. That will be clear. Moving to next line, they're going to be variable, interval, equal 1, semicolon, then function, count, so sorry, then use over there a parenthesis bracket, then using a curly bracket, interval, equal 1. So after one interval, it's going to be changed. Then I'm using over there millisecond plus equal interval, then putting over there column. Now moving to our next line, I'm typing over there if milli underscore seconds less than equal 100 using a curly bracket. Then again I'm using this one, milliseconds. So milliseconds help you to note it out what are the seconds it's going to change it. It helps you to show you that. Seconds. So the next second is going to be increase the interval like what's the time was noted. Previously it's going to be show it and it's going to be changed. So then same way I'm just then it comes over there seconds. So it's going to be if seconds less than equal 60, then opening a next curly bracket and using over there seconds equal 0, then minutes plus equal interval. Yeah. So then after this closing it, we are considering h1 dot text content. So your text content going to be into the form of so much. That's going to be minutes, question mark, minutes less than 9, question mark, minutes, colon, 0, plus minutes, and it's going to be colon, then 0, 0, into the form of inverted comma, then afterwards plus, okay, plus inverted comma, then putting inside a colon. I can move this also in the next line. This will be backward. So what it's like that. So suppose I'm having over there time 2 colon, then the next seconds will be there 4, then again dots. These are the dots. So this known as colon. So some of the intervals of a second will be there. So yeah, now I'm putting a plus sign, putting over there seconds, question mark, then again seconds. So it's going to be less than 9. It's going to be counted, then question mark, yeah, seconds, colon, inverted comma 0, then plus seconds, Afterwards, again I am putting colon, putting over there 0, 0. Afterwards, it's going to be plus icon. So then I am just putting over there again inverted comma using over there colon inside it. Then typing over there milliseconds, milli underscore seconds less than 9 question mark milli underscore seconds 0 plus milli underscore seconds semicolon. Then moving to next line, it's going to be timer colon. Move to next line, that's going to be function timer function timer. Opening a bracket like this and using a curly bracket. Then putting over there t equal set timeout count comma 10. So it's going to be started counting from 10. Then moving to next line. So I'm just putting over there the syntax that I could remember it, that this known as a starting a button. So this will be a start button. So it's your wish you want to write it or not. But if you just write it, you will able to remember it easily what was the use of. Then I'm putting over there start the on click. So when I just click it, it's going to start my counts. So count, putting a semicolon, move to next line, putting same thing again, slash, star, stop, button, star, then clear, dot, on click. So that I could just clean it also. Oh, so sorry. Stop, I missed it out. Stop, on click. So when I just click it, so function going to work equal function using curly bracket. So then I'm using over there clear time out. So it's going to be a T inside it using a semicolon. Move to next line, closing a curly bracket, which we had opened. It's already closed over here. Now I'm talking about clear. So that will be star clear button. That we also consider over there a reset. That I'm typing clear dot on click. So when I just click on the clear, the function going to be execute for that function. But we have to always declare it that what the thing we want and only it will work. h1 dot text content. So whatever the number I want to type it, it's going to be executing that. So we are having over there these display bar, that how it's going to be shown. Then it's going to be seconds. So seconds are major rule that how the seconds going to be changed with the help of the intervals and the minutes going to be reflected. Minutes equal 0. Then milli underscore seconds. So milliseconds equal 0. Oh, sorry, 0 colon. And then interval. So interval equals 0. Semicolon. And then closing it. Closing always done whenever we just use it. Okay, I click on start. It's starting my time. So if I click on stop, it's pause it. I click on reset, it's reset over there. Let's see again. I'm opening in a new tab. I click on start to see the timing is working.